This is MEC653, the HVAC Systems course. HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. HVAC aims to create the required or desired indoor space condition. The HVAC system applies the knowledge of thermodynamics, heat transfer and fluid mechanics, and good engineering practice to the analysis and design of HVAC systems. The course includes topics regarding applied psychrometrics, cooling load estimations, ducting designs, and refrigeration systems. When you complete the course, you should be able to explain and analyze heating, ventilation and air conditioning and refrigeration systems and their components, and finally design an efficient and desired HVAC system. The activities will assess your comprehension of the HVAC system fundamentals. Cheers.